When I was a student, I made a lot of financial mistakes. I spent money on useless things, didn't save, and had no idea how to grow my income. And guess what? Most students today are making the same exact mistakes. But if I knew these 10 money lessons earlier, my life would be completely different. So, if you're in school, college, or just starting out in life, stay with me until the end because these 10 lessons will save you years of financial struggle. Lesson 1. Money doesn't grow on trees, but you can learn to grow it. When I was younger, I thought money just magically appeared in my parents' wallets. But the truth is, money is earned. And the best part, you can learn how to make more of it. The earlier you understand this, the faster you can start looking for opportunities. Side hustles, freelancing, investing. If you rely only on pocket money or student loans, you will always feel broke. But if you develop skills and find ways to earn, you'll never worry about your money again. Mistake: thinking that you will figure it out later. Solution: start learning about money making skills now, today. Digital marketing, coding, trading, or even social media management. Lesson number 2. Saving money isn't enough. You need to invest. Many students think saving money is the key to financial success, but there is a problem. Inflation is eating your savings. If you just put your money in bank account, it's actually losing value over time. The real key is investing. You don't need to be rich to start. You can invest in stocks, crypto, or even your own education. The earlier you start, the bigger your returns will be. Mistake: saving without a plan. Solution: learn about compound interest and start small investments as fast as possible. And speaking of investing, one of the best ways to grow your money is by learning how to trade. But the problem is, most people don't know where to start. That's why I created the 1FX, my free trading group, where I share real market analysis, trade results, and strategies. If you want to learn how to trade properly without gambling or following fake gurus, you can join completely free. There are 2 ways to get in. Open a real trading account using my broker with a minimum deposit of 500 to 1000 euros or dollars, or get a funded challenge and I will pass it for you. This is the best way to start trading the right way with real guidance and full 100% transparency. If you're interested, check the link in the description or send me a message on my social media accounts. Lesson number 3. Debt can destroy you or make you rich. Student loans, credit cards, borrowing money sounds familiar. Debt can be dangerous, but not all debt is bad. Bad debt is when you borrow to buy things that you don't make money from, like clothes, parties, or gadgets. Good debt is when you borrow to invest, like starting a business or buying an asset. Mistake: using credit cards for lifestyle expenses. Solution: only take on debt if it helps you make more money in the future. Lesson 4. Never have just one source of income. Most students have only one source of income, maybe an allowance from parents or a part-time job. But if that one source disappears, you're in big trouble. Successful people always have multiple sources of income. Even if you're a student, you can start freelancing, tutoring, selling digital products, or even trading. Mistake: depending on one source of income. Solution: start building multiple streams of income right now, today. Lesson 5. Budgeting isn't boring, it's freedom. When I was younger, I thought budgeting was for boring people, but in reality, budgeting gives you financial freedom. If you don't track your money, you will always feel broke. But if you make a simple budget, you will always know where your money goes. There are even apps like Mint or YNAB that make it super easy. Mistake: spending money without tracking. Solution: use a simple budgeting method like 50-30-20% rule. Lesson 6. Networking can make you rich. One of the biggest financial lessons I personally learned is that who you know is often more important than what you know. Your network can open doors to job offers, investment opportunities, and business partnerships. Connect with people who are where you want to be. Mistake: only socializing with your classmates. Solution: go to events, use LinkedIn, and build a strong network early. Lesson 7. Time is more valuable than money. If you waste years on useless things, it will cost you later in your life more money, but you can't get back lost precious time. Instead of wasting time on distractions, invest your time in learning skills, building income, and creating a better future. Mistake: wasting too much time on social media or partying. Solution: invest time in skills and personal growth. Lesson number 8. Don't follow the crowd, think for yourself. Most students follow what others do. Take loans, get a degree, find a job. But if you want to be financially successful, you need to think out of the box and completely different than 90% of the world. Question everything. Is your degree worth the cost? Is there a better way to make money? The richest people didn't follow the crowd. They created their own path and wealth. Mistake: blindly following traditional paths. Solution: think critically and explore different financial strategies. Lesson 9. Learn sales and negotiation. They will make you rich. If there's only one skill that will always make money, it's sales. No matter what job or business you have, you will need to sell your ideas, your skills, your services, your digital products. Most students feel uncomfortable with sales and negotiation. But think about it. If you know how to sell, you can start a business, negotiate a higher salary, and even convince people to invest in you. Mistake: avoiding sales and being afraid to ask for more. Solution: learn negotiation, copywriting, and persuasion. They will 10x your income potential. School teaches you to work for money. You need to learn how to make money work for you. Schools and universities teach you how to get a job, but they don't teach you how to be financially free. That's why most people spend their whole life working for money instead of making money work for them. Rich people don't just work for a paycheck. They build businesses, invest, and create passive income. The earlier you learn this, the faster you can escape the matrix and 9-to-5 trap. Mistake: thinking a good job equals financial success. Solution: learn about financial freedom, assets, and passive income while you're still young. These 10 lessons changed my life completely, and I wish I knew them when I was a student. Now it's your turn. Which lesson was the biggest eye-opener for you guys? Tell me in the comments. And if you want more videos about money, investing, and financial freedom, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. See you in the next one. Cheers!